FB tweet. Pinterest email send text message print. Kourtney Kardashian is all about family. The Kardashians' star, 43, shared a carousel of throwback images from a family yacht outing she took with her 3 kids on Instagram Friday. Kardashian detailed that the photographs she shared were from a month prior in the caption of her post. Laguna Beach, California, April 2022, she wrote. In the post, the Poosh founder included numerous shots of her family, including one photograph of herself and daughter Penelope, 9, cuddled up together on the boat, and another of Sunrain, 7, floating in a hot tub. One other image showed Kardashian and her 3 kids facing away from the camera as they walked near a beach shore. In that pic, Mason, 12, was captured wearing a set of checkered brown and black Skims pajamas from Aunt Kim Kardashian's fashion line. Notably absent from the trove of photos was her fiancé Travis Barker, to whom she got engaged in October 2021. The pair had been dating for less than a year when the Blink-182 rocker got down on one knee, and the celebration continued after with a surprise dinner with both their families. Their eventual nuptials will be the first legal wedding between Kardashian and Barker, 46. Last month, the couple had an Elvis-officiated wedding ceremony in Las Vegas following the 2022 Grammy Awards. Though they tried to get a marriage license for the event, they were unable to do so, which means they were not legally wed. Kardashian's mother Kris Jenner recently chatted with people about her daughter's nuptials, but kept her lips tightly sealed about the forthcoming event. "I have been sworn to secrecy," Jenner, 66, told People with a laugh. "If I say one thing about a wedding, I am gonna be in so much trouble."